the A sentences. Sustain the A for 3 seconds. Stage 1. The baby in the gray bathing suit is named David. Stage 2, 1 second. The baby in the gray bathing suit is named David. Stage 3. The baby in the gray bathing suit is named David. Stage 1. They laid the table with plates of cake and grapes. Stage 2. They laid the table with plates of cake and grapes. Stage 3. They laid the table with plates of cake and grapes. The Y buzz and the plus Y are excellent for warming up your voice anytime. They act as anchors for the tonality of all your speech, and they protect against strain and throatiness. They also place your voice in a lower register for a deeper, darker, richer, sexier sound.
And yes, women sound more sexy with a lower pitched voice, the same as men.
Cheers. So long for now.